Hello, everyone, and welcome to Everyday Word Chat. I'm Rachel, and today we're talking about a word you definitely need when you're packing for a trip.
Hey, I'm Daniel, and that word is toiletries. Now, if you listen to our everyday 3-minute English episode, Lost Luggage at the Airport, you might remember this word came up there.
That's right, the airline staff asked the passenger if they needed any toiletries while waiting for their lost luggage. It was such a thoughtful offer and a perfect example of when this word is used.
Absolutely, so let's break down what toiletries actually means. They're basically all the personal care items you use for hygiene and grooming. Think shampoo, toothpaste, soap, deodorant, that kind of stuff.
Right, the word comes from toilet but not the bathroom fixture. In Old French, toilette meant the act of washing and dressing yourself, so toiletries are the things you need for that daily routine.
Here's a classic example. When I pack for vacation, I always make a checklist for my toiletries because I once forgot my toothbrush on a week-long trip. Not fun.
Oh no, I learned my lesson too. Now I keep a separate bag just for toiletries. It has everything: razor, shaving cream, moisturizer, and nail clippers.
Smart, and if you're flying, remember that airport security has rules about liquids. You need to pack your toiletries in containers that are 3 ounces or less and put them in a clear bag.
Great point. Another example, hotels usually provide basic toiletries like small bottles of shampoo and conditioner, but I always bring my own because I have sensitive skin.
Same here, and toiletries aren't just for travel. People also donate toiletries to homeless shelters because items like soap, toothpaste, and toilet paper are essential but often overlooked.
That's a really important point. These everyday items we take for granted are actually necessities that everyone deserves access to.
So whether you're packing for a trip, dealing with lost luggage and needing emergency toiletries, or helping others, these are essential personal care items we all need. And if you haven't checked out that Lost Luggage at the Airport episode yet, definitely give it a listen.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to pack your toiletries, and we'll catch you next time on Everyday Word Chat.